Ona thengia wa thirikari gukorwo ikiarira mibango itiganite kwa ihinda na muoroto wa gukinyaniria motungata makinyaniru mogima wa mwiri kuri muingi wa bururi, undu uyu ukoretwo na mihinga itiganite. Ruhonge rwogima wa mwiri rubataire gukorwo rugithukirwo gicunji gia 15 hari igana kigina-ini kia o mwaka, no ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rugithukirwo gicunji gia 11 hari igana.
Have still not met the thresholds of what is required of us. Abuja Declaration talked of 15%. As a country we are low, we are at 11%. But even that 11%, and governors will tell you, 80% of it goes to recurrent costs. So then you are left with 20% for commodities, for equipment, and for infrastructure. That is inadequate. It cannot be enough.
Na hari mawatho meru mari mahitukitio magukinyaniria mubango wa SHIF, Akenya aria mandikitwo mawira marirengagwo gicunji kia 2.75 hari igana kia mishara yao, na wandu aria matari andike mawira makariha ciringi 300 o mweri, no Akenya aria matari na uhoti wa kwirihira thirikari niri matangikagira.
The new law, it's 2.75%. And for that now, it is no longer in doubt. The laws are in place. On 1st of March, we finalized on the regulations. They are with the Attorney General. And I'm confident that by Friday, they will be gazetted. And once they are gazetted, then we begin the 2.75% deduction.
Hari mibango ino, thirikari irongoreirie kugacirithia motungata mogima wa mwiri kuri mukenya wothe ari na mbeca kana atari.
But the beauty is, for the poor Kenyans who cannot afford, you are an indigent. Wewe ni mtu ambaye hauna uwezo, hauna mapato aina yoyote. Serikali ya Kenya inaenda kulipa bima yako ya afya.
Ni mubango ukoretwo ugumeirwo ni mihinga mingi oginyagia macira igoti-ini, no riu thirikari iri na wiyathi wa kwambiriria mubango uyu thutha wa igoti guteaniria macira ma mawatho maya maria matwaritwo igoti-ini. Kiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.
Operational by December.